Now to use the MouthMelt JSFL, you need to have a correctly formatted mouth symbol. Inside the mouth, there should be a number of frames, and each frame should be a different kind of mouth. No duplicates here. The slightly different variants of each mouth should be inside another nested symbol. Each frame should also have a name. We can call them whatever we want, as long as they're a name somewhat descriptive of the mouth on that frame. All that really matters is that you're consistent. What I mean by that is that some mouths are like this, where they're not just the normal mouth, they transition into an O mouth. See, like that doesn't happen on the normal one. The name of these need to be the name of the normal one plus -O. So if we want to change the name on the earlier frame, we have to change it over here too. Now, the only one where we really need the frame name to be exactly one thing is with the O mouth. If we don't set the name to O, then the code will not recognize the O mouths and will not be able to transition into O mouths. Finally, each inner nested symbol should have at least 2 frames. It'll work if you have more than that, and they will be used, those frames will be used, but you need at least 2 frames for things to work. If you don't want them to be different, then you can just set them to be the same thing. Anyway, once you have that formatted correctly, all you need to do is start the lip syncing process. So you can just set that to single frame and go to frame picker and pick out your frames. Now note that during the lip syncing process, you don't ever have to use the -O mouths. In fact, it's actually worse if you do use them. Like, these will be converted to when you load in the JSFL, so you don't really need to worry about that. Just focus on getting the basic phonemes in. And now what we have looks like this. Test audio for lip syncing. Really, really rough, so we could just select the frames. Then we can grab MouthMelt v2.jsfl. Don't use the old version because it's less good, and now we can quickly run its command, and stuff will happen. Test audio for lip syncing. So it's a little off because my original phonemes are a little bit off, but other than that, audio for lip syncing. It looks pretty good. This has been the tutorial. Goodbye.